Friends, running Kimono here, and this is a video I haven't done in a really long time. Walmart.com. I bought something a couple days ago. It's an early Christmas gift. I just thought it was the perfect gift. This Frozen 2, it's a singing Elsa doll who is the lead character of that Disney classic. I've never seen the movie, but I know my nieces love this. What little girl wouldn't love to have it? Initially, this doll is $59.99, so about $60, and it's down to 50. So just to give you the specs right here, it sings one song, and her lips move, and I don't know, it's just super cute for little kids. So the price was $59.99 down to 15. I think this was part of the they were trying to compete with Amazon Prime Days. And this price is still online for this. So I ordered 4 of them. I have 3 nieces, and then we have a family friend that has a child about the same age, a little girl. So I thought, this would make a really nice part of a Christmas gift. And it's quite sizable too. And I always try to buy all the items, like the Christmas gift, to be the same item so the kids don't fight. You just don't want that. And then just to show you, here are the 4 of them, and they are larger boxes as well, so it's just a perfect gift. $15 each. How I got this down to next to nothing was I cashed out and I bought a gift card, punched it in with the app. They did not have this at my local store, but they had it on walmart.com. So I was just very grateful that they would sell me 4. Sometimes you wonder, will they limit you to 1 or 2? Then it wouldn't work for me. I needed 4. And yeah, so at $15 each, it was $60. I used, and I bought a gift card, so I paid 10 plus the tax. I think it was $13 out the door. So with toys, between now in the end of July, a lot of these toys, especially at Walmart, will get reduced down a lot. This is the time of the year where they want a lot of toys gone, so they could stock up in the fall for Christmas. So, last year's Hot Toys, you will get for 75% off, and that's the exact, from $60 to $15. That is 75% off for this lady here. Now, just to show you, she sings. I obviously can't play the song because of copyright, but she sings one of the classics from that Disney movie. And it's the lead character. So I know there's going to be a couple girls who are going to be really thrilled this Christmas for that. And then just to show you the little girl in the back of the box to the doll, that is the size proportion. She's about a 12-inch doll too, because I know a lot of you will probably be like, well, how tall is she? But for whatever reason, all of my nieces love Frozen, so I just lined up a rock bottom bargain, and I'm like, I'm absolutely going to go for this. So you have the option to go to walmart.com, or you can go to BrickSeek. Here is the UPC. You could type this into BrickSeek to see if you could find it in your local area. I think one store in my region had it for $11, so I paid $15, but $11's a lot better, that is for sure. And if you resell toys, I mean, anything with Disney is quite collectible, especially something like this where it's an electronic doll that sings. So I know there's a lot of you that probably sell or flip on eBay or Amazon. This might be something to grab at $11 for a product that was like $60. So you can visit BrickSeek, or alternatively, you can do what I did. I went to the Walmart website and see where the search bar is at the very top. I just typed in Frozen doll. There's 522 different variations of this doll. It's very popular. And at about the first page, I had to go down a little bit, so 1 of 20, so it was the first page. There it is at 15, so you could just add it to your cart. Very easy. Another item that I was finding, I just typed in Care Bear, and these ones that are in the boxes, I think they're so stinking cute. So we have the Grumpy and the Cheer Bear for 50% off at $6.44. We have a family friend who absolutely loves the Cheer Bear, so I might have to grab that as well. I found this later because I love looking for toys from the 80s, and obviously Care Bears are part of it. But yeah, you might want to look at the Walmart app or the website and look for stuff. I think when you get to $35, you get free shipping, and if you're a Frozen fan or Care Bear fan, lots of this stuff 75 or 50% off, which is really fantastic. And between now and August, there will be tons of deals for specifically toys over at Walmart. Now, before I take off, guys, I just wanted to let you know, first thing this morning on the Walgreens app, found this, which is $10 of Walgreens cash when I spend $50. Make sure you get to the app and load this guy ASAP. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.